We're continuing to get you the latest visuals that are coming in from different parts of the country on the annular solar eclipse, and in many parts you can also see the ring of fire that was seen, in fact, in some parts for a few seconds, and then the eclipse, you can see the moon then moving further away. So even as at this point you can still see the eclipse, it's expected to last for another 1 to 1.5 hours depending on which city you live in. Nilanshu Shukla is joining us with more details. So on this, Nilanshu, you're reporting from Lucknow. Just tell us, are you able to view the eclipse there? Do you see a lot of people very, very excited and enthusiastic about this? All right, we've lost that connection with Nilanshu. We'll go back to him in just a bit. Hemendra Sharma is getting us updates from Bhopal. We have Mustafa Sheikh from Mumbai also. Mustafa, you were telling us that there was a lot of excitement in Mumbai over this eclipse, but not many able to view it.
Well, yes, there was, Akshita. I will just explain this to you on the Nehru Science Center terrace. This is the filter which we used all throughout our coverage because you can't see the eclipse through naked eyes. And now we have removed it. This is the telescope here at Nehru Science Center, which is projecting the eclipse on the whiteboard. Currently, given the movement of the sky, the sun has been hidden and we have not been able to see the eclipse. But whatever at this point of time is available is less than 20% of the sun is covered. The peak has been passed, and given the monsoon season, it was a very good visible sighting of solar eclipse around 11:30, and it has happened in different locations from their houses. People in Mumbai viewed it, and there were a lot of webinars happening by the scientists, team from the Nehru Science Center or the Nehru Planetarium. They did the webinars and tried to gauge audience and explain them the importance and the enthusiasm associated with the eclipse, and also clearly saying that there are a lot of myths attached to it and more importance should be given to the science. So it was a good sighting of the solar eclipse which happened since 10 a.m. this Sunday morning in Mumbai. Back to you.
Mustafa, thank you for joining us with those details. Let's get an update also from Bhopal. Hemendra Sharma is joining us from Bhopal with the latest there. Hemendra, what about in the city of Bhopal? Was the eclipse visible? Were people able to view it?
Well, as far as Bhopal is concerned, the common man obviously was not allowed at the regional science center because of the pandemic, but people from their rooftops did view it. And here also at the regional science center in Bhopal, the team has set up this giant telescope and they are viewing the sun at its peak. Around 75% of the sun got obscured, but right now it's around 45 to 50% of the sun that is still obscured, and the size of the sun is increasing. And the scientists say that by around 2:15 the entire sun would be visible all over again to all of us. And across the state, let me give you a quick update that all temples across the state, Madhya Pradesh is also having lots of temples, so most of the temples have been closed, but the Mahakaleshwar temple in Ujjain is still open, and people are still going inside the temple, of course with pre-appointment, as has been decided according to the SOPs that have been fixed for the corona pandemic.
And let me also get in Dev Ankur. He is joining us from Rajasthan. Dev, you've been reporting for us what exactly Hemendra pointed out. The fact that this is happening at a time of pandemic, and while there's a lot of excitement, important to ensure that you maintain social distancing, that people wear masks when they gather in large numbers to view this eclipse. You've been telling us that that's barely the situation where you are.
Well, absolutely. That has been the case, Akshita, for the last 3 hours or so, and it continues to be so even right now in Suratgarh in Rajasthan, which is hardly 12 kilometers away from Pakistan border, where I'm right now. And as you can see, there are people who have gathered with their phones out, trying to capture this rare celestial phenomena in their phones. In fact, the organizers out here had tried to ensure that social distancing is maintained, and that is why this mammoth telescope that has been put out here, despite that, people have not been allowed by and large to view the rare solar eclipse phenomena through this telescope. Rather, people have been told to witness this out here on this board, on which the crescent form of solar eclipse is visible right now, and that is how people who do not want to view the solar eclipse by wearing those glasses and want to watch them with their naked eye can view this on this plain sheet that has been put up out here, so that they can view the solar eclipse from a distance in large numbers, but while maintaining social distancing, which has clearly not been happening out here. I also have Govind Dadich, who is an astronomer out here with us. गोविंद, ये बताएं कि किस प्रकार से ये जो यहाँ पे सारा फेनोमेना रहा है, आप बता रहे थे अगली बार 2034 में देखने को मिलेगा, पर यहाँ पर जो अरेंजमेंट किए गए, कितनी उत्सुकता थी ये बताएं, और किस प्रकार से आपने यहाँ पर सारा जो अरेंजमेंट किया हुआ है बताएं।
जैसे हम जहाँ घरसाना से हम यहाँ पे कल आ गए थे, हमने आइडेंटिफाई किया लॉन्गिट्यूड लैटिट्यूड के हिसाब से जो मून का जो सेंटर पार्ट है, इसे मैक्सिमम व्यू जैसे हमें मिल जाए उस चीज़ का, सेंटर पार्ट पे हम इस जगह आइडेंटिफाई किया। इससे थोड़ा सा पीछे आइडेंटिफाई किया था हमने, लेकिन वहाँ पे हर्डल्स थे, बहुत ज़्यादा कंक्रीट जंगल था, मतलब कंक्रीट बना हुआ था, इसकी वजह से हमने यहाँ पे आइडेंटिफाई किया, जैसे कि 360 डिग्री का होराइजन आपको दिख सकता है पूरा।
There are several myths also, Govind, which are associated with this phenomena, like you should not eat anything while the solar eclipse is on, you should not take a bath. Would you put all of these myths to rest, or do you think they have any scientific explanation to them?
नहीं, साइंटिफिक इसमें ऐसा कुछ रीज़न नहीं है। रीज़न क्या है जी, एक बहुत अच्छी खगोलीय घटना है, इसको तो लोगों को देखना चाहिए। अगर घरसाना के लोग आज नहीं देखते तो जीवन में इनको कभी ये देखने को नहीं मिलता।
So clearly, Akshita, precautions should be taken. You should not be visualizing the solar eclipse with your naked eye. But as Gohar Raza did to you, even out here, the astronomers have been telling me that all of the myths and superstitions that have been associated with solar eclipse, they can be put to rest, and you can eat whatever you want to eat. You can take a bath. You can visit religious places, given if they are open. And you can visualize this scientific phenomena, taking the precautions, but all those myths and superstitions need not be adhered to.
All right, Dev, thank you for joining us. Thanks to all our reporters also who've been getting us reports from different cities on the annular solar eclipse. And what a spectacle it is. You can see those visuals on your screens of some cities having that ring of fire. But no doubt people who've managed to see it have spoken about how this is a celestial wonder. We'll leave you with these visuals. We'll be joining you with the headlines in just a bit.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.